Looking for a keyboard that adapts perfectly to your typing style? The 9-way adjustable feet let you customize the angle, front and rear, offering positive, neutral, or negative positions. This means you can find the exact fit that reduces strain and boosts comfort during long hours at your desk. What really sets this keyboard apart is the fully padded wrist rest. It cushions your wrists, providing steady support that helps prevent fatigue and encourages a natural hand position. Whether you're typing reports or browsing the web, your wrists stay comfortable, making every keystroke feel effortless. Convenience is built in with dedicated quick keys for internet access and multimedia controls. You can launch your favorite websites or adjust volume without interrupting your workflow. It's a subtle but powerful way to stay productive and in control without fumbling for your mouse or extra shortcuts. Spills happen, but this keyboard is ready. Thanks to a thin membrane beneath the keys and around the keyboard, liquids like coffee, water, or soda won't damage the electronics. Just wipe it dry and keep going. No stress, no downtime. It's designed for real life, where accidents are part of the day. Plug-and-play operation means setup is effortless. Just connect the wired USB, and it works seamlessly with Windows XP through Windows 10. No complicated drivers or adapters needed, though note that the PS2 adapter is no longer included. This makes it a reliable choice for any modern setup. If you've ever struggled with uncomfortable keyboards or wrist pain, this model offers a clear solution. The customizable angles combined with wrist support and spill resistance create a typing experience that's both durable and user-friendly. It's worth a look if you want to upgrade your workspace comfort. Ready to improve your typing comfort and efficiency? This keyboard's thoughtful design addresses common pain points while adding convenient features that fit your daily routine. Try it when you're ready to feel the difference a truly ergonomic keyboard can make. Don't settle for less when it comes to your workspace. The 9-way adjustable ergonomic keyboard delivers what you need: comfort, control, and peace of mind. Explore this option and see how small changes can make a big impact on your productivity and well-being.